Hello everyone, my name is Elliot and welcome back to another Spiralstagelighting video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a little trick I found on the Titan one that you can use for parties, small events and birthdays and much more. So if you're not into automatic lights like gobos and colours going everywhere, and you just want it looking like a proper light show, then I really recommend this trick, and I also recommend it to DJs as well who don't actually have a lighting designer or anybody like that. But yeah, so let's get into it. So I'm on the Titan one right now, and basically what happens in this trick is a different look comes on every minute or every 5 seconds. So a different cue comes on every minute, for an example, or every 5 minutes automatically. Let me give you a little example. So as you can see, every 5 seconds a different look comes on. So this is my first look, this is my second look, and it will go through automatically. You can have it as long as you want, like for an example every minute or every 10 seconds, and you can also have as many looks as you want basically. And yeah, and I'm not gonna make mine look absolutely incredible. I'm just gonna make mine look simple, and you can put anything you want on it. And yeah, right, so I'm going to create my first look. So the first thing I need to do is press record and press create a chase, and I'm going to name it looks, and I'm just going to put it on one of my playbacks. And also I'm only going to do 3, I'm not going to do too many. And yeah, so now I've created my first look. Again, not too advanced, just simple and easy. I'm going to now put that on my chase, and then I'm going to record 2 more. And now time for my final look, and there we are. There are my looks programmed in. And now if we try the chase, it just looks random, it's just going everywhere. So what you need to do first is make sure your crossfade is at 0, and make sure your BPM is around 100, 200, or 100 or 300, but yeah. Right, so now what you need to do is choose on how long it takes to go onto each cue. So for now I'm just gonna pick 5 seconds, and what I recommend as well is for the first cue put 0, so then it goes onto it quickly. But I'm just gonna put 5 for now. You can put 1 minute, you can put 2 minutes, you can put as long as you want. So now if we try it, if we put it up now, it's going to take 5 seconds to go onto the first look. Might crash a bit as well, by the way, I'm really sorry about that. So now every 5 seconds it goes onto each look, and yes, it is lagging a bit on my visualizer, but hopefully you should understand. I'm not really sure why it's lagging, it was alright earlier ago, but there you are. Basically it goes onto each cue every 5 seconds basically. And you can also add a fade as well, so you can have it 10 seconds fade in, or 5 seconds fade in, or 3 seconds. But yeah, hopefully you should understand, but I'm really sorry about the crashy visualizer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial everyone, even with the crashy visualizer. I'm really sorry about that, but hopefully you should get the idea. And if it helped, please leave a like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.